friends, welcome to Super Duper Kitchen. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Italian bale. So bale puri is everyone's favorite and it is a popular Indian street food. And how to make a bale with spaghetti. This Italian bale can be served as a starter as well as a evening tea time snack. So now let's get into the recipe. So first we need 1 bowl of boiled spaghetti. So I have boiled this spaghetti with water and a little bit of salt and oil. So boil the spaghetti a day before and drain all the water and keep it in the refrigerator so that it will get rid of all the moisture in it. So the next day while making Italian bale, add half a teaspoon of corn flour and dust it well and mix it with your hands so that the spaghetti is coated well with the corn flour. This gives the crispiness when you deep fry these spaghettis. So the spaghetti should look like this. It should not stick one to one. It should be separate. Now heat the oil, and once the oil is hot, you can start frying your spaghetti. So initially you have to fry it in low flame, and once the sizzling sound stops, you can fry it in high flame. So this is how you have to fry the spaghetti. It will take some time to fry this spaghetti, so be patient and fry this aram se until that you get a golden brown color. So as I said before, you have to fry it in low flame, and once the sizzling sound stops, you have to fry it in the high flame and cook it on both the sides. Flip it well, and now our spaghetti is almost done. It is golden brown in color and it's time to remove it from the oil. So likewise, we will be frying the remaining spaghetti too. So this will serve one person. And here I am going to prepare a red chili paste for this starter. So take a water in a bowl and then add 3 Guntur chilies. So Guntur chili, it gives a spiciness for the recipe. And 3 Bedige chilies, this gives a very nice red color. And 6 garlic cloves. Ginger. And then a teaspoon of cumin seeds. So once you make this paste ready, you can store it in an airtight container and you can use it for about a week, and you can use it to make all the starters like gobi manchurian or chili gobi, anything of your choice. So boil it well until the red chilies are soft and other ingredients are soft, and grind it into a very smooth paste. It should be thick like this. Now the final step is to mix everything. So take a bowl and crush the fried spaghetti with your hands. So into this we are going to add all the vegetables and the other ingredients. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped bell pepper. If you have red and yellow bell pepper, you can add those too. And I have taken 5 olives and I have chopped it like this. Mix it well. And then add half a teaspoon of red chili paste, 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce. Mix everything together well until this tomato sauce and the red chili paste will get coated with the spaghetti. Now add the required amount of salt for this recipe. So already we have added salt while boiling the spaghetti, so add according to that. And then 1 teaspoon of sugar for sweetness. And then to give the Italian flavor, I am adding half a teaspoon of pasta seasoning. You can also use mixed herbs or oregano or any other herbs. And then if you have chili flakes, you can also add chili flakes. But here I am adding quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix everything together well. Now the Italian bale is ready to serve. So you can keep all the fried spaghetti and vegetables ready, and you can mix it while before serving. Serve it immediately. Now the Italian bale is ready. It is so easy to make. So do try this at home and give me your feedback. And if you like my channel and if you shall like my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in another recipe. Until then, it's bye from Niranjana Shankar Narayanan.